Good morning, students. Today we will see the bridge course activity sheet number 4. For this, you have to refer the chapter number 15, Life Process in the Living Organism, from the 9th standard. It is on the page number, that is 163. So, in this activity sheet, we have to study the process of, that is, transportation, root pressure and absorption with the help of roots. Transportation. By the process of transportation, substances either synthesized or absorbed in one part of the body reach another. Roots of the plants absorb the inorganic substances from the soil and transport them. Root pressure. Observe the figure given below. Here the figure is given and try to understand. Transportation of a red color through the stem take place, so the veins of the leaves turns red. You can see in this diagram the veins, they turns red, and this process is called as the root pressure. Absorption with the help of roots. Observe the diagram carefully. Root cells are in contact with water and minerals in the soil. Water and minerals enter the cell on the root surface due to the differences in concentration. As a result, these cells become turgid, and these turgid cells, they exert a pressure on the adjacent cell, and this is called as the root pressure. For this, you can refer the page number 164 from the 9th standard book. Next, transpiration through leaves. Observe the following figure. In this figure, we can understand that plant gives out water in the form of a vapor through the stomata on their leaves, and there are two guard cells around the stomata, and these cells control the opening and closing of stomata. Transpiration occurs through these stomata. This is the process of evaporation. In this process, water is released into the atmosphere by leaves. As a result, water level in the epidermal layer of a leaf decreases, and water is brought up to the leaves through the xylem so as to compensate for the lost water. Transpiration helps in absorption of water and minerals and distribution to all parts of the plants. So this is the transpiration. Now the next is, that is, transportation. The food produced in leaves is transported to each cell in the plant body. Excess of food except amino acids is stored in roots, fruits and seeds. This is called as a translocation. Now you have to write the answers of the questions which are given below. First question, identify the phenomena given in the given picture and write the reason behind it. For this, you can see the diagram. Same diagram is given on page number 166. What is this phenomena? It is the exhalation. The given phenomena is the exhalation. This exhalation is a simple process given in the plants than in the animal. There is no special organ system for exhalation in plant. So the gaseous substances, they are given out by diffusion. Most of the waste substances of plants are stored in the vacuoles of the leaf cells and in flowers, fruits and the bark of a stem. And after some time these parts fall off, so that the leaf fall takes place, and through this the waste material, they are given out. So for answering the question, you can refer the page number 166 from the textbook. Second question, write the names of waste material of the plant that are useful to human being. For this, you can also refer the page number 166. One sentence is given, the some waste material of plants, they are useful to the human. For example, gum, resin, latex of rubber, etc. The next question, write a note on transpiration through leaves and evaporation of water from leaves. For this, you can refer the page number 164. 164, it is given that is transpiration pool. So the last para which is given, it is the correct answer, so that you can write the note on the transpiration. So in this way you should have to complete your worksheet number 4. Thank you.